This is APStudio, a no-code workspace for automating Web3 workflows. Start by connecting your wallet. This will let you build, test, and deploy automations on Ethereum and Layer 2s. Next, review available templates. You'll find pre-built customizable workflows for DeFi, token transfers, alerts, and more. Click Create New and then Start Building to open the canvas. This is where you can drag and connect nodes. We're building a simple Telegram alert. Click Add Node and select Trigger. Then add a write node and choose Telegram. Set the trigger condition, in this case, a block interval. Click the play button to run the node. Connect the nodes. Link your Telegram account and write your custom notification message. When you run the node, the message will be sent directly to your Telegram. Edit it however you'd like. Then click Save/Deploy. Set it to run 3 times. Once deployed, click Workflows in the sidebar to view your automation. Open it to check status, results, and execution history. That's it. APStudio makes it easy for you to build and automate Web3 interactions. Try it out today at app.apsprotocol.org.